mode, all in one. We will calculate with the help of the given values of x. So these all are the measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. So if we have to calculate the value of arithmetic mean means sum total of all the values divided by n, sum total of all the values of x, summation x, sigma x, 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 5 is equal to 53. So let us write down the formula for calculation of arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to summation x sigma x divided by n is equal to the value of summation x, that is 53. 53 divided by n. What is the values of x? N. How n will be taken? So let us prepare here serial number. Serial number will tell us how many items are there. So here total items are 10. So n is equal to 10. So here 10 values are there. 53 divided by 10 is equal to 5.3. So the answer is arithmetic mean or x bar is equal to 5.3. So the value of arithmetic mean is 5.3. Next we have to calculate the value of median. So values of x same, 2, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, 5, 9, 11 or 5 is given. So here the values of x are given. The first and foremost step for the calculation of median is, first of all, do calculate. Let us see, either the values are given in ascending or descending order. So values are not given in either in ascending order or either in descending order. So let us first of all do prepare ascending order. Ascending order means minimum to maximum. So first of all, minimum value, here minimum value is 2. 2 is 2 times. So I am tick marking the value 2, again 2, then 3, then 4, after that 5 3 times, 5, 5, again 5. So I am here tick marking the value so that values can't be repeated. Then 7, after that 2 values are remaining, 9 or 11, 9 and 11. So we have prepared ascending order. Then let us write down which is the formula for the calculation of median. M is equal to size of n plus 1 by second item is equal to size of, how many items are there? Again I am preparing serial number here. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last one is 10. So total number of items n is equal to 10. Here frequency is not given, so no need to convert the values into cumulative frequency. So these are the values of x which we have prepared in ascending order. So total number of items are 10. 10 plus 1 by second item is equal to size of 11 by second item is equal to size of 5.5th item. So mode will be lie in between 5 or 6th item. So 5.5th item is equal to 5th item plus 6th item divided by 2 is equal to what is the 5th item? This is 5 and 6th item is also 5. So here 5 plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So the value of median is equal to 5. So we have calculated the value of median, which is equivalent to 5. This was first procedure for the calculation of median, first formula. Another formula for the calculation of median is second formula. If the values are given in decimal 5.5, if value is suppose that 6.5, 9.5, 0.5, it means half values can be calculated with the help of this method. But if values are given, suppose that here instead of 5.5, 5.25 you have to calculate, yeah, 5.75 calculations you have to calculate, then this method is not appropriate. Then we will follow this method. It means here I am writing down 5.5th item is equal to 5th item plus 0.5 and in the bracket 6th item minus 5th item. Suppose that here instead of 5.5, 5.25, 5th item is given. So 5th item plus 0.25, or suppose that 5.75. If suppose that you have to calculate the value of 5.75, then 5th item plus 0.75, or in the bracket 6th minus 5th item. So here we have to calculate 0.5. So I have written here 0.5, 0.5 here. And let us put the value in this formula. We get 5th item is 5. 5 plus 0.5. 6th item is also 5. 5 minus 5. So this will be equivalent to 5 plus, and here if 0.5 is multiplied by 0, it will be equivalent to 0. So the values will be equivalent to 5. So it means 5.5th item is 5, and here median will lie in between 5 or 6. This is answer is 5. So again the answer is 5. So here median is equal to 5. And next we have to calculate third measures of central tendency, which is mode. The value of x is 2, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, 5, 9, 11 or 5. We have to calculate mode. So two procedures are there. Number one, by inspection method. By inspection. Mode is the value which occurs maximum times in a frequency distribution. So here 2 times, then 5, 5, 3 times, 11 one time, 9 one time, 3 one time, 2 times, or 7 one time. It means by inspection 5 occurs maximum times, 5 occurs maximum 3 times in the series. So Z is equal to 5. One more method. This was first formula, and second one is by converting individual series into discrete series. This is individual series and we will convert this individual series into discrete series. How it can be converted? Let us write down these are the values of x. Then we will prepare tally bars and last column is related to frequency. So I have written how many values are there? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not given. Six is not given, brother. Then 7, 9 and 11 is given. So here we will prepare tally bars. Number 1, 2. So I have prepared first bar here. Then 5. Then 7. After that 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 5. Then 9. Then 11 and last one is also 5. Let us prepare tally bar. 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. So we have defined already. Mode is the value which occurs maximum times in a frequency distribution. Maximum times. And maximum times occurs 3. 3 occurs maximum times. It means 3 means 5. Because we have to calculate the value of mode from the values of x. So 5 is the model value. Z is equal to 5. So I am writing down the value of mode is equal to 5. So in individual series we can calculate mode by two methods. Number 1 by inspection method or by converting individual series into discrete series. If the calculations are confusing, calculations are lengthy, here calculations are less, we can easily calculate the value of mode by inspection method here. But if here just 10 values are there, if values are more than 100, then we have to prepare tally bars and then we can only find out the value of mode. So in this way, only a single value, the value of x was given. X means either the value of marks, height, weight, wages, salaries, whatever it may be given. Only a single value x was given and with the help of x, we have to calculate single statement. Here x and here x. Same statement was there and here the value of mode is 5. We have calculated. With the help of this single statement, we have to calculate all the measures of central tendency. If examiner asks which are the measures of central tendency, yeah, do calculate measures of central tendency with the help of this given values of x. So there was not given. Either you have to calculate arithmetic mean, median or mode. Measures of central tendency means you have to calculate all the three calculations. So the here question was calculate measures of central tendency with the help of this given statement and the value of x was given. We have converted the value of x into arithmetic mean, median and mode and find out the answers by all the three methods of central tendency. So that's all regarding this topic, and do subscribe the channel to see all such type of typical questions related to measures of central tendency. Thank you.